This is disgusting. Look at this.
Ay, ¿le gustó?
Hello.
Hi. Hello, motherfucker.
Hi guys, so for today's video we're going to be trying HelloFresh and we're going to see what it actually is when you're not sponsored. So as you guys know, this video is obviously not sponsored, but I did decide to buy HelloFresh with my own hard-earned money. I've been seeing everybody raving about HelloFresh, but is it really that good, you guys? I don't know. We're going to really try it. So I got it. I got 2 meals and it came in like these 2 little packets. So I opened it just for fun, but this is the one we're going to be doing. And I also wanted to test it out to see how actually easy it is, because supposedly like it's so easy, anybody can cook. So I'm going to have my sister be the chef and I'm going to be the sous chef, mostly like cutting and like making sure she doesn't burn herself. But other than that, you guys, that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to show you guys what we got. And like I said, I already opened this one, so it was a little shocking, to say the least. But I'm going to show you guys everything, okay? Okay, so this is the recipe that we're going to be making, you guys. It actually looks really, really good. And this is the other recipe that I got. It also looks pretty good. What I can say about the recipes, one thing that I hated about it was that sometimes like there would be one recipe that looks so good, but it was like $6 extra per serving, and I'm just like, I'm already paying how much and I have to pay extra for like meat or whatever. But I'll show you guys. But yeah, this is the 2 recipes that I got, so they look pretty good, so we'll see how it is. Let me show you guys what was in the chicken one. This is not the one I'm going to be doing, but you guys, so this is what's in here. This is disgusting. Look at this. I thought it was blue cheese. It's just mold, because it's supposed to be shredded Monterey Jack cheese. So it came in this box, all of the ingredients, and it came with 2 blocks of ice. So how did the cheese get moldy? That is a good question. Was it already sent moldy? So I'm just gonna throw this cheese away. We have cheese at our house, so we're gonna be making the warm buttered shrimp rolls, which is this recipe. Comes with 2 of these because I got 2 servings. Let's just make sure there's no mold on it.
Okay, it's good.
Okay, looks good. Scallions. So everything's like pre-made. The only thing that sucks is if you're like very environmental friendly, there's a lot of plastic in here. A lemon. You know what's funny though? Show that lemon.
It's a tiny ass lemon.
We have a big ass lemon tree. So let me show you guys our lemons. Where are they? All of our lemons are in here. Excuse my neighbors, you guys. I'm sorry. But yeah, all of our lemons are in here.
Ta-da!
What is this? Garlic powder?
Yeah.
Okay, what else? Is that it?
No, what the heck? Okay, we have paprika. I don't know.
Celery salt.
Oh,
I've never even heard of that.
I'm pretty sure it's just salt.
Sour cream.
Ooh, mayonnaise.
Okay. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do after washing it, we're gonna cut the potatoes like this. We're pretty much like, if you don't know how to read, you just have to copy the first step, which is cut potatoes, cut the onions, separate it. I don't know what that is.
The zest.
The zest. We have to zest the lemon and cut the lemon in half. So let's do that. Anything that's in here is what is not in the little bag or box or whatever. So like a zester, if you don't have a zester, you're pretty much screwed. Let's do step 1. Okay, now we just finished doing step 1, so now we're going to step 2, which is toss potatoes on a baking sheet with a large drizzle of olive oil, half the garlic powder, salt and pepper. Okay, easy. I did say my sister was gonna help, but she's kind of slow. Okay, so step 3, make slaw. Meanwhile, in a medium bowl, combine mayonnaise, sour cream, and what else? Half the celery salt. Oh, this one. Oh, and squeeze the lemon juice. Now we're gonna butter up the toast, which kind of sucks because I'm still waiting on the potatoes. Literally grab a chunk of butter and just rub it. This is why you follow things exactly how they're done. See, I would have done what I just told you guys, but according to my brother over there, show him.
You don't have to.
Yeah, I don't think I have to.
According to him, it's because it needs to soak it up, which is perfect, you guys, because like I said, I'm not a chef. I just do whatever I want. They're looking good. There's like about 4 minutes left. Oh, oops. Too much butter. Okay, second bowl. Drizzle olive oil.
La luz. La luz.
Use a wooden spoon. Vas a rayar la cazuela.
Scrumptious.
And the scallion whites. The scallion whites.
Literally, it's literally unnecessary. All of that is unnecessary.
It's gonna wilt.
It's fine, Jimmy. It's fine. It's fine. We're not at a restaurant. We're just casually eating at home.
You done?
Yeah, I don't want mine super toasty. Do you want yours extra toasty? I'm hungry. So we just put in the lemon zest.
Oh, we were following the instructions, Nancy.
You know, it's more stressful when you follow instructions.
You sure?
For me. We are almost done. We're just kind of pretty much waiting on the toast.
Any salt?
Any salt? Then that's some more salt. You get 3 shrimp.
What?
For participation.
Fill it to the brim and don't forget the
Yeah.
coleslaw.
Yeah, fill it to the brim so it's cute and
So that it doesn't close.
facts.
Okay, this is gonna be the first bite.
Ay, ¿le gustó?
It's good. It's different. I've never had this. I've never tried anything like this before. You wanna try it?
It's kind
Definitely
of
worth it.
bland.
It is, right? A little bland. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the potatoes with a little bit of ketchup. They're really good. They're crispy. I feel like a little bit more garlic would have tasted a lot better. If you guys want to get HelloFresh, go ahead and use my code. I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. If you guys want HelloFresh, is something you're interested, you know, try it. If you know, personally me, I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth it just because of the price. Price-wise, I don't like it.
I'm poor right now.
Yeah, you are.
I also don't like that, you know, my cheese was a little bit, I don't like that my cheese was, you know, had a little bit of some mold in it. I didn't like that. But the food is actually really good. So if you just want to like try it for, you know, a week, you know, give it a try. But that was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll definitely catch you guys on the next one. Bye.